My name is Tom. I am a young boy. I like to help my family. I want to do something good. I put my things in the right place. I help my mom in the kitchen. I bring water for my dad. I listen when they talk to me. I try to be responsible every day. I take small steps one by one. I want to be a good boy.
I am cooking food. We need more things. The kitchen is not full. I feel a little worried. Who will bring things today?
I am busy right now. I have work to do. The house needs fixing. I cannot go outside. Maybe Tom can help.
Tom, listen to me. We need food from market. I cannot go today. Your Abu is busy. Can you help us? Yes, Mom. I can help you. I am not afraid. I will go to market. I will come back soon. Take this money. Keep it safe. Do not lose it. Buy vegetables and bread.
I will, Mom. I promise.
Take this cloth bag. Put the things inside it. Hold it carefully. Bring everything home safely.
Yes, Mom. I will keep it safe. I will not lose it.
I will come back quickly. Don't worry.
Here's your sack, Tom. Be safe.
We love you, sweetie. I am going now. Goodbye, Mom. Goodbye, Dad. I will be careful. See you soon.
See you soon, son.
Take care. The road is quiet. The air is fresh. I feel happy. I like this journey. The market is far. I am walking on the road. The sun is warm. The air feels nice. I am not tired. I like walking. This is my village. People are simple. Everyone knows each other. Life is quiet here. I feel safe. I look around me. I see many things. My village is big. I feel small, but happy. I meet wise people every day. I listen to their words slowly. They teach me simple lessons. I keep their words in my heart. Oh, a goat! It is funny. It walks slowly. I like animals. They make me happy. Look at the birds. They fly so high. I want to fly too. The sky is beautiful. Nature is amazing. The road is changing. I see more people. The market is near. I can hear sounds. I feel excited. There are many people. Everyone is busy. They walk fast. I must be careful. I stay focused. This is the market. Wow, this is amazing. Everything looks nice. I feel happy. I want to explore. This is the market. It is big and colorful. I see many shops. I hear many voices. It is very busy. The market is full. People are buying things. Sellers are calling. It is a little loud, but I like it. I see fresh tomatoes. They look very red. They are clean and nice. Mom will like these. I will buy them. I check the tomatoes. They feel fresh. They are soft but good. I choose carefully. I want the best ones.
For them.
Sir, what is the price megas per kilo?
It is $3 per kilo.
Okay, please give me 2 kg fresh and good ones.
Yes, I will give you fresh tomatoes.
Thank you.
Hello, little boy. What do you need? These are fresh vegetables. You can trust me. I will help you.
Sir, what is the price of imported potatoes per kg?
It is $3 per kg.
Okay, I want potatoes. Please give me 2 kg of potatoes. Please give me good ones.
I trust you. All right, then. Here's a bag for your vegetables, Tom.
I put them in my bag. The bag is getting full. I must be careful. I do not want to drop them. Everything is going well. Give me the tomatoes and potatoes.
Here you are, young man.
Here's the money, $5.
Thank you, young man.
The market is busy. People are everywhere. It is loud and active. I see many things. It is exciting. Children are playing. They look very happy. They run very fast. They laugh very loudly. I smile at them. How much this bread?
It is $2.
Is it fresh?
Yes, very fresh.
Give me one bread. How much this toast?
$3.
Price for dozen?
$12. Give 1 dozen.
How much total?
$22.
Here is money.
Thank you.
Give me the bag. Here is your bag. I place it carefully. I do not want to break it. It is very soft. My bag is almost full. I am happy now. Oh, this is a bookshop. I will buy books. I will buy pens. I need a notebook. I will go inside.
Hello, young man. I'm doing well, thank you. What can I help you with?
Hello, sir. How are you? I want to buy something. Can you help me? I need school things.
Of course. Let's find you what you need. This is a wonderful notebook, Tom.
This notebook is nice. The pages are neat. It has many pages. How much is this?
It's $8, young man.
I'll take it. Do it right then.
Looks good. How much is this pen?
I want a good pen. Many students buy it.
You will like it. It is cheap. Thank you, young man. Here is the money. Please take it.
Thank you for your help. Goodbye.
You're very welcome. Goodbye.
Wow, so many snacks. I feel excited.
Hello, welcome. You can choose anything.
How much is this chocolate?
$2.
And this one?
$3. Good milk chocolate.
How much is this biscuit pack?
$4 for a pack.
I can buy 1 chocolate and 1 biscuit.
Yes, you can. Count your money first.
Okay, I need $2 for chocolate and $4 for biscuits. Total $6.
Correct. You are good at counting.
Thank you. I will enjoy these snacks. I need school shoes. My old shoes are broken. I see many shoes. This shop is good. I will buy new ones. These shoes look strong. They are black. I like them. They fit well. They feel comfortable. Uncle, what is the price of these shoes?
These shoes are $20.
Uncle, this is very expensive. Can you make it a little less?
Okay. You can give $15. Thank you.
Thank you, Uncle.
Here are $15.
Take your shoes.
I see many caps. They look cool. I want one cap for school uniform. I will try one. Wow, this cap looks nice. It fits my head perfectly. I really like this color. Yes, I will buy it. Excuse me, how much is this cap?
It is $3. Okay. Here you go. Thank you.
Have a nice day. Wow, these are sunglasses. We use them to in sunlight. I like protect our eyes. We can wear them at school or outside. Very useful. Uncle, how much are these sunglasses?
They are $5.
Okay. Here you go. Thank you, Uncle.
Thank you, Beta. Enjoy them.
I finished my work. I bought everything. I feel proud. Mom will be happy. Now I go home. I am going back home. The road is quiet now. I feel very calm. My work is finished. I bought everything my mom has. Oh no, a child. This is how good. I must stop them. I am scared. I cannot find my mother. I feel lost. I do not know what to do.
My son, where are you? My son, please answer me.
Here is your son. Oh, wait. Me, where are you? I am back home. I brought him all your things. Your son say, here, come back.
Mom, Dad, I am back.
My son, you are home. Like everything you asked for.
You did a good job, my son. We are very proud of you.
My seer.
For more fun family videos and to learn beginner English, don't forget to like and subscribe.